Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're back at the Vidorra Knox District, the Vidorra Knox District. This is a recently built, beautiful apartment, and it's a fun apartment to check out. I want to show off their one-bedroom model. I've got a newer camera than I think we had last time, and so I just want you to see it. This is number 204, by the way, so we're going to walk in right now. Okay, really pretty apartment, beautiful apartment actually. Love the kitchen here. I love the island. It's really clean. Definitely enough space for 3, if not even 4. Beautiful cabinets here, just a really nice feel. That's kind of a light gray, by the way, and then some white, beautiful quartz countertops. Just a lot of space here. There's some really pretty open shelves, kind of gives it a European, Italian feel. And then what I love about it, I mean, look at it, it's just adorable, perfect place to be in the Knox area. And then there's room enough for this breakfast table, so you can really have a lot of people over. In fact, this whole area is really rather big. You can have, I mean, just looking at the seating here, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, 12 people having fun just in this apartment. It's a pretty cool apartment. So that's part 1. We're going to walk into the bedroom and bath and do a part 2. So we'll do that right now. If you have any questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below. Also, if you want to do a tour, I recommend actually a virtual tour. And here's why. Because it's a virtual live tour. We can set that up very quickly and easily. You could do that as early as even later today or tomorrow. But also, there really aren't a lot of openings that I'm aware of at the Vidorra Knox. They have this one model and that's it. This is one of those very popular places that it's probably better to do a virtual tour first. And then, that might be enough. If not, you can do a live in-person tour. Anyway, so just the thought, go ahead and send me a text and say hi, and we'll go from there.